Hello friends, today we are going to solve the TRB 2017 Polytechnic Lecturer Exam question paper, EC department. So let's move on to the problem session. So the first question is, the question paper series is B, then the question number is 6. A question, a lossless transmission line having the characteristic impedance of 100 ohm, then is connected to a load of 200 ohm. The voltage reflection coefficient is. The problem, they asked the value as reflection coefficient. What is the reflection coefficient? They given the value as the characteristic impedance of 100 ohms, then the load of 200 ohm. So the reflection coefficient formula is the rho. Reflection coefficient, the rho formula is ZL minus Z0 divided by ZL plus Z0. So ZL is load impedance, Z0 is characteristic impedance. So substitute the value in the formula. So ZL, the load impedance value is 200. So the 200 minus the characteristic impedance is 100. So 100 divided by 200 plus 100. So 200 minus 100 is 100. So 100 divided by 200 plus 100 value is 300. So cancel this. The value answer will be 1 by 3. So the option C, 1 by 3 is the correct answer. The next question is the question number 27. A broadcast radio transmitter radiates 5 kilowatts when the modulation percentage is 80. Then how much of this is carrier power? So they are given the value as the transmitter power, then modulation percentage value. They are asking the carrier power. So we know the formula, the transmitted power PT equal to PC into 1 plus mu square divided by 2. Transmitted power is 5 kilowatts, so 10 power 3 equal to PC into 1 plus modulation index value they are given as 80%. So 80 divided by 100, so cancel this, so 0.8. So the modulation index value is 0.8 square divided by 2. So next step, 5 into 10 power 3 equal to PC into 1 plus 0.64 divided by 2. So cancel the value 0.32. So 5 into 10 power 3 equal to PC into 1 plus 0.32, 1.32. So divide the value. So 5 into 10 power 3 divided by 1.32 equal to PC. The carrier power will be this value. Then divide this value, you get the value as 3787.87 equal to PC value. So 3787.37 is approximately equal to 3.7 kilowatts equal to PC. So in the option, the nearest value is 3.7. So the answer option B, 3.8 kilowatts is the correct answer for this question. So the approximately the carrier power will be 3.8 kilowatts. The next problem is the question number 86. Simplify the expression AB bar plus A bar plus AB the whole bar. So in this problem we are going to apply the De Morgan's rule. De Morgan's rule is nothing but A plus B the whole bar. This means then we have to apply the whole bar into the individual term, then the plus term into the dot product. So this comes like A bar dot B bar like this. So this is the De Morgan's rule. So I am going to apply the De Morgan's rule in this problem. So apply the individual term AB bar the whole bar dot A bar the whole bar dot AB bar. So this is the De Morgan's rule. So here AB bar the whole bar means AB dot A bar the whole bar means A dot AB bar. So here AB dot AB bar, that means A dot A bar, the value will be 0. So here AB dot A bar value is 0, therefore 0 dot A means 0, so the value will be 0. So the correct answer is option B, 0 is the correct answer for this question. So today we have solved some 3 problems in the TRB 2017 Polytechnic Lecturer EC Department question paper series B. So in further videos I am going to solve all problems and also I am going to discuss the theory questions of 2017 year question paper. So watch our channel regularly, share with your friends and subscribe us. Thank you.